Salam, how do we know our du'as are accepted? So again, Allah, when it comes to du'as, there's different things I've read on it. What you need to know that Allah accepts du'as, right? Allah wants to accept your du'a. Like imagine if you were like the richest, most person that had the most things ever, right? Like you've got everything in the world, and someone poor and small comes and says, "Oh, can I have one cup of water?" Right? Like you own the entire world, and someone's asking you for like a sip of water. Like it's nothing. You would give it to them, right? So Allah is more merciful and more kind than you and me and everyone put together. So if you ask Allah for something, why would He not give it to you, right? So your du'as are accepted. But we know there's certain times and certain places and certain things that will accept du'as more. So for example, the fasting person, his du'a is accepted. The du'a of a father is accepted. So there's different conditions that will increase the chances of your du'a being accepted. And then when it comes to du'a, there's certain things that they say about acceptance. So for example, sometimes when you ask for something, you don't get exactly what you ask for, you get something better. Sometimes Allah takes away a calamity instead of that. And sometimes Allah gives you a reward in Jannah instead of what you ask for. And sometimes you get what you ask for. Right, so definitely, Allah will answer your du'a. There are certain conditions, like there's a hadith Qudsi where the Prophet, I think he talks about, and you need to check this, but the Prophet talks about a man who is making du'a, but it says, how can his du'a be answered when what he earns is haram, what he eats is haram, the way he clothes himself is haram? So the power of like earning halal is so important, and earning haram can lead to your du'as not being answered. So definitely like make sure that that's not the case, but inshallah Allah will accept your du'as.